In this video, you will learn how to make clipping mask. Before going to start this video, I will clear this video is provide some secret tips, some shortcut or some secret tips, hidden tips for your reference. Okay. So just open one image which you have, just like this is the image. Just a minute. This is the image, and I want to make some clipping mask for that. Okay, just a minute. This is my image. Where is, just a minute, already opened. Just a minute. Close, close, and close. Okay, now close this all. Now I want to make a one clipping mask with the help of one image. Okay, this is the image, and I want to make a one clipping mask for that. Okay, this is the image. Okay, I want to make one circle, and in this circle we want this background image itself. Okay, so just click both the item, this rectangle and image, and right click over here and make clipping mask to get some result. Okay, this is the clipping mask shortcut. Okay, now I will give second example for you, second secret tips for you. This is the one image, and I want this image color platelet. Okay, create some color platelet. If some client want my footer and header on my website which I have color, this same color I want in my website font also. So you have this image, this is the image, just like, and I want to make some color platelet for that. Okay, so just go to object, and first of all you have to rasterize this image. Okay, and again you have to go to object and click here to create object mosaic. Okay, just 4 by 4 rectangle. Okay, this is the color of that image. Okay, and I want to save this color to one platelet. Okay, so draw some rectangle over here. This is the rectangle, and this is rectangle, and this is the secret tips. If I want to copy this rectangle, same rectangle here, just a minute. Okay, okay, this is the shortcut key, alt key, and just press the mouse, this copy, and control D to copy, same repeated. Okay, I want this all, alt key, press the alt key, and front key, control D to repeat. Okay, this is the simple way, and I know you know, but this is the secret tips for you. And I want this color here, this color here, this color here. Okay, so just select one, eye drop, and click this color, and just a minute. First of all, you have to select this color, this only one color. Okay, and eye drop, click, eye drop, and put over here. Just a minute. This is the wrong way. I drop, put here. This color I want over here. Okay. So this I drop, put here. I drop this here. Again I want this yellow color here. Okay, I drop yellow color. Okay, I want another color, this one here. Click I drop here. Again this, click I drop. I want this color. Click here. I want here this color. Should be this color. I want this color. Okay, just a minute. Click here. I want color here to be this color. Okay, select this color. Okay, and I want to make a one platelet. Just go to, this is the shortcut. If I don't know where is my tool available, I want to color tool, color, just color panel. Okay, this is the color panel. Okay, and here is the new color group. Just click this color group, name this color. This is the color name, and okay. Now you will see here is the one color, because I want select only one. Okay, so just go to select all, go to here color, this box, give the name. This is the color. Okay, this is all the color I have saved for future reference. Okay, now I will give you another secret tips. If I want to make a some shape, this is the shape, and I want to write something over here, just like text. Make this bigger. This is the capital item, text. Okay, and I want to make here, just click. So we want to create outline first, and then put over here, select both the and this pathfinder, and then minus front. Okay, now I can't edit this text. Okay, and so this is the secret tips. I will give you another example. This is the secret tips. Okay, just put over here, select both the here, and press the alt key and go to minus front. Now this is the benefit over here. You can change the this text also, like that light. You can change the color. You can change the position also, here, there. Okay, and after then, if you finish there, expand this, and this is the okay. So this is the shortcut and secret tips. Okay, another, this is also apply with some object also, like that. I want to make one rectangle over here, some triangle over here, this, and select both, go to alt key, press alt key and minus front. Okay, now this is the same. After that you can expand. This is the same generated. Okay, another example I will give you, just rectangle. This is the rectangle, this is another rectangle, this is another, this is another, and select all the same. And here is the three bindu, make a compound shape. Okay, now right click, isolate selected group. This is the, and you can edit it this shape also, like that, like that, like that, and after that you can select all and expand it. This is the one step. Select all, isolate selected, and now this is the shape. Minus front, this is the shape. Okay. And another, I will give you example for secrets. If I want unit change, just like I want to draw a rectangle, I don't know what is the point, I know only so how to give the unit in so just I want 10 10 mm. Okay, this is a 10 and this is 10 by 10 Okay, I want to give here 10 also. This is the 10 20 20 Okay, and another, I want to change this unit pt to inch. So what you know how to change the unit? Just to go to your file, document setup, and here you can change the unit. Okay, you know. Okay, but I want simple way. What is the simple way? Just to go to ruler. I don't know where is the ruler, so just click here, ruler, ruler. Just a minute. Rurals. I don't know the name of this, but I know Control R to come to ruler. This is the ruler. Okay, here you can click and you can change the unit. This is the ruler. Okay, Control R to come and Control R to hide, or you can go to view and here is the ruler. Hide ruler, Control R. You can easily hide and you can come Control R to come, and here you can change the unit. Fast way to unit change. You know how to change the unit? Just go to here and document setup, and here you can change the unit. This is the lengthy way, but this is the simple way. Just click the Control R to come to ruler, and here you can change the point, inch, yard, everything. Okay, so this is the simple way and secret tips to enlarge your skills. Okay, and the next video I will also provide some basic to advanced level secret tips for you. Thank you.